Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up drip action automation for workflow apps. Once you're in your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has been successfully installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentations. Under the tutorial, you're going to have access to the smart cue video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials. We equally have the configuration walkthrough video that is going to help you on how to set up your app. Under the setup, here we notice that our app has been connected, but no worries, if your app haven't yet been connected, we are going to walk you through on how to connect or set up your app. First thing, you're going to head over to your account online. You click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, you're going to click on user settings. On your user setting page, scroll down. You're going to find a section labeled API key token. You're going to copy your API key token. Under your user setting page, you're going to scroll down and you'll find a section labeled API token. You're going to copy your API token. Copy. You head over back to your account. Click on Start Setup. Enter your API key. You go back to your account online. Click on Back to Dashboard. Click on Settings. Click on Account. Scroll down and copy your account ID. Head over back to your account and paste your account ID. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. Then our app will be successfully connected or set up. We equally have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can create a ticket for our support team or you book a call with our support team. We equally have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the update of your app. And in order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. You are all set. If you have any question or need help, our support team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.